Welcome to 54 Albion Lane. It's our newest listing. We are the Georgian Bay Dream Team. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss any of our new listings.
This fabulous kitchen has so many upgrades, like this extended island with a sink in it. We also have built-in appliances, pantry with pull-outs, and so many extra cupboard spaces.
The 1,740 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home includes 3 walkouts to the backyard. 1 walkout is included in the master bedroom, which also features a walk-in closet and a spectacular ensuite. This unfinished basement doesn't look like much, but I wanted to come down here to point out the fact that you have a walkout to the backyard and you have other little perks like a hot water on demand system and a 200 amp service. This beach is so close to 54 Albion Lane that you can hear the waves at night. For more information on this home, please visit our website at georgianbaydreamteam.com.